Welcome back to new exercise. In this tutorial, we will create this soundbar modeling and we will learn some basic features like fill pattern, how to make these holes in different shape with the help of fill pattern, how to use wrap feature to create this shape, and then we will see how to apply body move and face move command on any body. Let's start to do modeling of soundbar. Okay, so first we will create internal body, front plane, sketch. Now let me activate here. See, 3 point center rectangle. Okay, now here let's say first point center. Now third point I am going to place at in a angle taper view. See, this is third point. This is, now let me select these two lines. This is square, so equal. Select this one line, vertical. Fine. Smart dimension. Make length 100 millimeter. Now go to feature and activate extruded boss base because I want to add material to this. Now in direction blind, direction let me change. Now length of soundbar 500 millimeter. Say OK. Now I'm going to add fillet. Choose here constant type fillet. Keep tangent propagation symmetric and 20 millimeter is the radius. Select the first edge and it will show you this option. So select the first option and see automatically you can select all 4 edges. Simply apply. Now I'm going to select this body color red, 64, 64. Okay. Now here choose body, not part. Okay. Now select this face, evaluate, measure. Now see these parameters, perimeter 365.66. This is important. You have to apply this one. Okay. Remember this one. See perimeter, right plane, sketch. Now I am going to apply here again. Let's do one thing, center line. Okay, same 3 point center rectangle. First point on line, third point something like tapered, then create like this. Now hold shift key and select these two lines equal. Make the center line horizontal. Okay, then one more, select the center line both collinear. This is going to be placed at center exactly. Okay, now we have to maintain perimeter. So how you can do this? Activate center line, construction line, draw one line, exit, again activate, press L key in your keyboard and activate line. Again let me draw one more same center rectangle. Equal. Let's say this is going to be vertical, collinear. Select this one and this one equal. Just note down, this is important. Okay, this is how you can use this perimeter feature to apply any. Okay, makes. Okay, let me select these three equal. Smart dimension 365.66. This is the perimeter length. Okay, fillet 15 millimeter and let me apply. Okay, Now here we done, so say okay. Smart dimension. Now select distance from here to end of this square, end point 85. Okay, take little inside. Smart dimension. Now distance from outside, hold shift key, and from here 10 millimeter. Look, this is fully defined sketch. That's why now this rectangle exactly placed at center. Okay, and in equal distance. Right click, select chain, make it for construction line. We don't need this one. We need only this one. Extruded boss base, make thickness only 1 millimeter, offset 120 millimeter. See, uncheck merge result. Okay. Now I want to place this one to this body. But before going, I want to apply some perforated holes. Fill pattern. Now here select square. Now face, I am going to select the back face. 15 millimeter. The vertical and horizontal hole distance. Direction. Okay, direction already selected. Come down, create seat cut. Hole diameter 5. See, this direction important. See, we already selected one direction. Say okay. See, hole is created. Now I want to apply this on this face. How you can do this? Okay, let me select this face. Sketch. Convert entity. No, activate convert entity. Select the face and here choose inner loop one by one or select all inner loop. Now once you select this, it will select all inner loops. This is important feature. Okay, you don't need to select one by one all. Go to, okay, let me exit. Now go to wrap feature. I want to emboss, and in this method is spline because this is not same shape. Now face, you have to select multiple face. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the last face. Now this is going to apply. Now thickness, how much do you need? We need 3 millimeter. Okay, say okay. Look, now let me hide one body. Hide. Okay, we need to this. Now this is one body, so select this face, sketch and delete this, convert entity and extruded cut. Keep here through all only. Okay. Now I want to use the same sketch. So select this face, show. Again choose front plane because these dimensions apply on front plane. Sketch. Now right click on this previous sketch, select chain, convert entity. So we don't need to draw, otherwise we need to draw. Previous sketch you can hide it. Now apply extruded boss base. 500 millimeter length, change direction, unmerge result. Because I want to make multiple number of parts. That's why we delete this and recreate again. Say okay. Now here we have 3 bodies. One is we don't need, the second and third. Okay. Let me create one plane. Axis. Face. See face and point. Origin point. Select here origin. See the axis going to create at center of this body. Circular pattern. Axis selected. Feature, no, not features, choose body. Select this body. 4 number of patterns, 4 number of bodies, we need 360 equal space. Say okay. Look. Let me move this body little here. select body, clear, orange, select these two parts. Okay, again I want to remove this face color. Okay, we will let her do it. Let's move this. Okay, go to direct editing, move copy body. Now this one we will keep as it is. Let's change this to body. Uncheck copy. We just moving, not making copy. Translate. -90 mm, make it reverse. In old you can apply -9. Say okay. Okay, we just move. Now again I want to move copy. This time select this all four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180, reverse, copy. And here make two pattern. See, there is is going to create two pattern. Say okay. Now we have many multiple number of bodies. Now again move copy. Here select copy one body, and which body I want to copy this, select these two bodies again. -90, 180. See, make sure selected copy, one copy. Okay. Now let me hide this axis. Now let's trim this, then later we will add color or all everything. Now let me apply here right plane, sketch, center corner rectangle. Make it the length 450 mm. And make sure this is going to pass through origin. Hold shift key, select this one midpoint, and this one keep bigger than this. Extruded cut. Now here apply through all both, and here select flip side to cut. I want to cut outside, not inside. Okay, simply say okay. Now you will see. Okay, now everybody has same. Let's apply color. Body, clear, red, select this body. See the color. Again going to create, select body, clear this. This time I am going to select the color orange. Now for body, I am going to select 1, 2, 3. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, body, clear. And this time let's say this one, 1, 2, 3, similarly in opposite direction. Okay. Now let's go to direct editing, move face, select offset and select these two face, 1 and opposite direction. Show selection bar, here make 10. Okay. Now fillet, constant type radius make it 5 and select one edge and similarly other edge. Okay. See, this is a kind of bar shape, how we use different types of features and we create this. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.